Here we are with the Dow Jones. I got a big daily down move. When I said it's going lower, I'm down 457 points. I'm down 101 in the Nasdaq 100 as well, and the comp, and that S&P is getting crushed back down to that 2780 area. When I said the easy money was made, that was a daily. This is a daily chart. Okay, daily doji confirmation, big reversal. Dow down 457 points, and you Dow lovers will listen. Let me tell you about the big disconnect. Okay, so my partners asked me to do this, and so if you are an innocent bystander, maybe you might understand it, maybe you don't. But for the big money, it's going down. And when I say it's going down, it goes down, pal. And when I say it's going down, you can let you know it's going down. And right now, the market just closed, and we ended down 457 points right here. There it is. And this is the double diamond that's right there right now on this. And the easy money has been made. Now, the technology sector, the S&P has turned into a technology sector. You've had 10 stocks that have taken these moves up off of the March lows, and the ones in the enterprise software, the ones in cloud computing, and the technology names are the one that's done it. But there's a big disconnect. You got Goldman Sachs down $6. You got J.P. Morgan in the financial sector tanking. They're telling the real story outside of the tech rally. We also know that 99% of the people always what 99% of the people chase rallies. This is a double diamond. This is a daily. This is the reversal now. And I've been telling people do not get trapped. That is one, two, three, four of those times 148 points mathematically each line to the penny. We come down, we break that diamond here, you can notice there's a long ways down. Now, what I am saying to everybody in our network around the world or worldwide, and basically, we are at a point where the easy money's been made. The Fed was buying up corporate bonds today, didn't help the market, did it? And not a bright thing to do. And then everything about headlines and all of that. So what? The S&P dropped like a rock, and I said it would. And what is the disconnect with you people? You got to realize one thing. When the financial sector and the broader economy and the big guys aren't working, they're telling a different story than your tech sector. Your tech sector is the glory sector. That's where the money's made. And cloud computing, enterprise software in certain sectors are the ones that do the greatest. And they do. Even with that virus or epidemic, whatever you want to call it. We don't care. What we do care is that people always like to buy at the highs. They like to buy. There is more downside to come in this Dow Jones index. 457 point drop. We said it when we updated it, and it's here on YouTube channel as we speak. As we speak. This is what happens. This is the confirmation of that big daily bar that you see. The algorithms and the diamonds are pointing here. This is the support level. When it breaks that support level, guess what? We go lower. The easy money and the rally separate the tech rally from the broader tape. Separate it so you don't get caught moving forward for the people that may be innocent to it all. If you need risk management skills, we do have a department that can handle it, give you the report, and then take it for what it's worth. But yeah, look for more downside to come. and easy money's been made. How to identify. You have a daily doji with the confirmation you have to go below that daily cross and you have to sell way down and you have to have a big half delta drop and the body of the index has to be at the double diamond low in our platform. And this is the confirmation of taking out that high. We are about ready to take out these other ones when they had their little rallies up off of the bottom. Look where it got them. Look where it got them. Got them 457 point drop to 23,764.7. That's where it got them. More downside to go. You want to chase rallies? You get burnt. And you know what? This is the confirmation for all of our students. You have to have a big red bar like this. You have to have a big red bar against the daily doji reversal to confirm it. And then you have to have 4 times the downside move to confirm it. Don't be in denial. The Dow, the banking sector, certain other sectors, they're telling a different story. How about the Democrats keeping you at home with another $3 trillion stimulus package? You want to go that way? Well, the talk of that today on a headline didn't get it nowhere either. Are people tired of the free money? Who knows? Who cares? We don't. We don't care about any what's going on out there. That's just an event. It's unfortunate that it's a very bad one at that and killing people. But markets are going to be markets. Downside is going to be downside. Upside is going to be upside. Knowing what side to be on. Knowing when to exit. People don't know when to exit. We know it. Money managers suffer from it daily. Oh, yeah. Just because you think they're a money manager and got a title, you think they know what they're doing? No. It's a 457 point down move. The rally has happened in the tech sector that brought it all back up. The S&P 500, what I'll be doing is no longer just the way the S&P 500 index is. It's got 10 technology stocks in it that controls it now. Well, what happened to the other, 490 companies? It doesn't matter. What does matter is directional movement, confirmation of the movement, for our risk management skills and all of our hedge fund managers and other people, this is what they feed off of right now, is what we're doing for them. And I would suggest you do the same thing. And listen, there's a big disconnect. One thing about Grubhub, and we'll be talking about that one later, why it's getting trashed right now as it should be trashed in after hours. GRUB, Grubhub, blah, blah. Listen, back to the Dow. Stay tuned. There's the big daily reversal. That's the worst thing for the bull. And knowing how to separate our financial system from tech rally system. It's the tech that took it up. We bought them all the way up. But we also traded them all the way down, too. So, Dow Jones update, daily chart, closing bell, 5:12, 1:10 p.m., 4:10 p.m. Pacific Eastern Standard Time. And you're closing 457 points down. Financials are not leading the way. Tech is a different animal. You got to learn how to separate it. Anyway, once again, it's our privilege to update our network of people with the Dow. They're going to know what to do with it. They already knew what to do with it when we had the daily talk right here. It started with a 3-day, we came off of the bottom. He bid pops it, he comes up, he hits it right here where we said it was going down. There's the down day off of there. Then it's a doji, narrow range, bam, 4 times down, move, bam, reversal, bam. Live trading room is open to the right people.